Good morning. We are going to Waterloo. Tignan natin kung gaano kalayo from our place. Guys, may dala pa kami soft drinks. Galing sa supply na. Diba? Dito na tayo maglakad.
Sa sand?
Oo. So, walking distance lang, Waterloo from here. Ayodhya. Sinanang ba to? Hindi, number 10 siya. Pero actually, mas mura pa sila. Okay. May mga nagbebenta dito 100. Ayan, sinanang. Pero, hindi tayo magpapabulag. Sakti ang init, Han. Grabe. Super init. Supposed to be tag-ulan ngayon eh. Thank God naman at hindi naging ulan-ulan everyday. So, ito na yung totoong init.
So, saan pa talaga tayo naglakad?
Okay, sige.
Meron naman dun.
Sige, sige.
Hindi ko maintindihan
Balik tayo. Dito na tayo dumaan. Dami na nagsiswimming ah. Swimming kaya muna tayo. Ganda. May ATM din dito.
Iba na ito eh. So, parang ano, yung sa Boracay din yung beachfront, diretso lang. Iba-ibang restaurant. Ay, iba-ibang beach.
So, another hotel. Laki din, oh. Katabi ng Ayodhya. Grabe mga hotel dito.
Palakihan sila.
Palakihan.
This is Grand Hyatt Hotel.
Nag-bike na lang tayo ilang kaspitan.
Oh, guys.
Nandun na sana tayo agad kung nag-bike tayo. Finally, we're here at Waterloo, Nusa Dua. Hi! Hi guys, we are here at Waterloo. So, ang entrance dito ay 25 rupiah each person. Pero ngayong araw na to wala masyadong ano daw water. So, kere-kere na yan. Masaya na tayo sa ganito. Guys, papunta kami ngayon ng Mulya to check their dinner buffet. So, magta-taxi kami from here sa Ayodhya. So, sobrang lapit lang naman. We heard kasi that it's the only 6-star hotel here in Bali at masarap ang mga pagkain.
Buffet.
Yeah. So, nagpa-reserve kami for dinner.
Picking
so,
out.
Yeah, see you later! Hi guys, we're here at the cafe. So, we're waiting for our reservation at 6 p.m. and the cost of the buffet is 713 IDR per person. Net na yon. So, kasama na yung mga taxes. Pero hindi kasama yung mga drinks. Okay, yung drinks, depende kung ano gusto mong orderin na drinks. Pero pwede naman wag ka na umorder ng drink. Diba? So, depende. We'll check later kung magkano yung mga presyo ng mga drinks nila. Okay, bye! I'm trying the lobster. Ice cream, so we're gonna try it. Where's my spoon? Ako na. So we got this mango panna cotta. We're gonna try it. Thank you very much. Okay, see you again. Hi guys, good morning. So this is our fourth day here in Nusa Dua and dito sa Ayodhya Hotel. Ayodhya Palace pala. So, mag-explore tayo sa labas. Titignan natin kung anong meron dito sa labas by walking lang. So, papakita namin sa inyo kung ano yung mga available na kainan, restaurant, or ano kapag naglakad ka lang along the area. Okay. See you later. One of their complementaries is pwede kang umiram ng bike. 7 to 6 p.m. daily. So maglalakad tayo ngayon. And mainit. Sobrang bait ng mga tao dito sa Ayodhya, or actually generally sa buong Bali, no? As in, like, very accommodating sila. Kahit saan ka pumunta, kahit sinong kausap mo, babatiin ka, mauuna pa sa'yo bumaan. Dito sa Ayodhya, ang katabi niya Novotel, as in like directly magkatabi lang. Pero ito kasi more on private, oo. More on private. So nandito si Ayodhya, si Novotel, at saka sino isa Marriott. Sobrang nice.
So double entrance. Pagpasok mo dito, i-inspect yun na. Tapos pagkatapos mo sa hotel, bago pumasok sa hotel, i-inspect yun.
Oo, sobrang sobrang safe. So ito, pero paglabas mo, ayan, iba-ibang. Dito available lahat ng, parang ano na to no? Commercial area stretch.
Yeah,
ayan, may
stretch.
Sky Lounge Bar. Tapos may mga spa. Maraming bars, maraming spa. Kainan, souvenir area. So, lakarin natin. May
Parang
RL na naman, no?
Yung gimmick area.
Daming RL dito.
Baka dito ginagawa.
Feeling ko nga, sobrang daming RL
Parang
dito. So,
outlet store nila eh.
no? So, ayan. I think we have to make lipat sa kabila. Yun, hindi mainit. Ayan. Lakarin natin yung buong stretch. Ito, may Japanese cuisine din. Tapos, kala ko polo na naman. Paddy. 50% discount Paddy Supermarket. Dito nga pala, no, sa Bali, dito yung naalala ko dati na talagang yung mga jewelries nila. More on silver. Oo. Sobrang sikat sila sa silver, ano. May mga money changer na rin dito. Ayan. Spa. Ayan, kainan. Spa. Souvenir items. Souvenir area. Something like that. Mga bags din, no? Ang dami. Sobrang sikat na sikat si Bali sa mga ganyang bags. Parang mini convenience store. May SIM card din. Ito mga souvenir items. Yan, hi, good morning. Bali bag, ang ganda. Tanong mo, how much?
150.
1?
150. Yeah, how much yung discount price? Ayan, see. Discount quality.
Thank you. Ayun, yung mga bag nasa mga 150, 130 lang. Massage, spa. Ayan, mga souvenir items ulit. Mga bags. Ganda ng mga Bali. Mga hindi mga gantong bag, yung mga ganito, yan.
No?
Ito talaga magaganda. How much is this?
150.
150. Ayan, magaganda yung mga ganyan. Big. You have big?
Very big, this one very big.
You have big? This one?
No, only this big.
Ah,
This
okay.
one big. Only this not big.
Okay.
Okay.
Mas maganda kasi yung
Itu.
pag ganito.
This one.
Ano na? May mga SIM card din. Ano yan? Papapalit tayo. Meron din supermarket dito for all your needs. 24-hour supermarket. Coco Supermarket. Walking distance lang dito sa Nusa Dua. Sa tapat naman niya, merong mini mart din. Tsaka mga kainan.
Something else.
Nakita niya.
Oo nga.
This one. Yeah. This one. Why you not with me?
Sorry.
Thank you.
I forgot.
Forget.
Guys, they are...
We want the price
Yeah, I won a prize actually. They're giving out
Free.
a
for free for
voucher.
promoting for the
Voucher.
Karma Group Resort.
Yes, to promote Bali and Bali collection actually. So
They want the shopping vouchers.
okay,
Shopping voucher.
shopping voucher and the spa voucher.
Spa voucher.
Free massage for how long? 40 minutes. Sorry.
40 minutes. That's for
Each.
couple 80 minutes.
80 minutes
80
free
minutes.
massage
And
in
meal-
Bali collection,
in
right?
Bali collection, yes.
And then the meal voucher
And Bali experience.
and Bali experience voucher. So the meal voucher, how much?
There is
Or
the
discount?
value is 300.
Oh, free?
300 for
And
free.
then the rest you pay. Okay,
Yes.
if it exceeds.
If you more
yeah,
than that,
that.
you pay extra.
Okay.
Thank
And
you.
what about mine? Like,
You're a winner.
You're a winner?
Yes.
I won what?
Excuse me, look. This one.
iPhone?
No.
So, miss and sir, you are the winner.
Oh,
You are
you're-
guaranteed one of the prizes below.
Oh, please ask
So you definitely win one from these prizes.
Uh-huh.
If you win A in this hologram, you will get iPhone 15 from them,
Oh.
the real phone.
Really?
Or if it's B, you will get a 7 nights luxury holiday
Wow.
in Asia, Europe, or Egypt.
Okay.
Or if you win C, you will get
iPad?
iPad. Or D, $500.
Oh.
I don't know how much in your money.
$500 US dollar?
Yeah. No, it's
Five-
5 million.
5
Ah,
million.
5 million.
But about 300 your money.
3 times 5.
300 US dollar.
May mga ganun,
15,000. 15,000 pesos in
Oh,
our...
that's-
That's
is that
big.
big?
That's
That's
big.
big.
Yes, that's
Big
big.
also, in 5 million also big, yeah. But they giving you in our money.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Or if you get the last one, you get Apple,
Apple
Watch.
Watch.
There is no,
No cost,
cost,
no-
no obligation, no worries.
Yeah.
So they
Okay.
just want to promoting their hotel
Yes,
for your
yes.
next hotel.
Hi guys, it's our checkout time. Sobrang grabe. It's 3 o'clock p.m. Sobrang late checkout. So, kasi we went to kung saan-saan, Jimbaran Beach and all. Pero grabe, sobrang pinagbigyan kami dito sa hotel na ini-stayan namin. Sobrang babait ng mga tao dito. Actually, we really highly recommend this place kasi sobrang bait lahat ng tao. No? As in, like, ikaw yung mahihiya sa sobrang kabaitan nila. Everybody's palabati sila. Oo, konting request lang, pagbibigyan. Actually, early check-in kami dahil 10 a.m. pa lang. Pinag-breakfast na rin kami. Tapos ngayon, nag-check-out kami. Sobrang late namin. Grabe. 3 o'clock p.m. for check-up. Which is actually dapat 12 lang or 11. So, kudos to everyone here sa Ayodhya. Iiwan namin yung mga gamit namin kasi ang check-out namin, ang flight namin is 1 a.m. So, susunduin kami dito ng transport service ng 6 o'clock p.m. So, we'll be back here ng 6 p.m. Hi guys, we are here sa Bali Collection and we are going to eat here sa Ginger House. So, Italian, as in like authentic Italian dishes ang nandito. So, pakita namin sa inyo in a while yung menu. So guys, Chef Matteo Modena from Verona, Italy sa Ginger House. Authentic to. Okay, ito yung mga prices nila. And of course, we have 300 gift certificate courtesy of Karma Hotel. Thank you very much to Karma Hotel. Karma Group?
Karma Group.
Karma Group pala. For the 300 voucher. So, itong Italian restaurant na to is sa Bali Collection located. So, if you wanna try authentic Italian food, punta kayo dito. Pero later, titignan natin kung ano yung kung ano lasa. Titikman natin. Pero yung kagabi sa Mulya, ang sarap ng ano nila, marinara. Seafood marinara. Panakota and creme brulee. Pero tiramisu yun. Mas masarap. This is their pasta el tono. Penne. And
This is Ali Olio. Sarap.
syempre, authentic. Ano yung Italian. Ano. Actually, good for ito, no? Ang sarap as always. Grabe, ibang-iba. Sobrang rich. Masarap na pizza. As in. Nakita ko sa Vincenzo, ginagita na lang pizza pagka. You have to fold it and then eat it.
Kay Vincenzo.
Sarap. Hindi kami umorder ng mga soft drinks. Dala namin to galing hotel. Tipid.
Ganyan daw, pinaport. Proper way of eating pizza. And dip it.
So guys, titikman natin yung tiramisu. Siyempre, authentic tiramisu. Naubo ko. Masarap, grabe.
Ano lasa?
Creamy. Perfection. Sarap. I like it. Okay, another expensive bottled water here. Grabe itong tubig dito sa Bali. Lahat lagi may bayad. Oh my gosh. So, ito yung binayaran namin. Nakakaloka, may voucher na to 535 minus 300, so 235 na lang yung binayaran namin. We are here inside the departure gates na. Sobrang dami pa lang ditong pagkain at bilihan, all the signature clothes, and magaganda yung mga restaurants. Dapat nagpapapasok sila ahead of time kasi halos kulang na yung oras. Masyado silang strict sa oras na dapat 3 hours before. So at least magkakaroon pa ng time yung mga taong kumain or mamili kasi sobrang dami. Parang mall yung loob ng departure gate nila. Sayang. Makikita nyo dito yung mga food, espresso bar. Ano oras na ba? Magta-12 na. Pero bukas pa lahat. Magta-12 AM. May Wolfgang Puck pa dito. So, ito na guys. Magkano nga ba ang nagastos namin dito sa aming Bali trip for 4 days, 3 nights? Starting off with the ticket amounting to 16,809. Travel tax, 3,240. SIM card, 1,078. And yung hotel namin for 4 days, 3 nights is 2,800. And yung aming mga lunch and dinner and all other things na mga or places na pinuntahan, starting off with the lunch at Bali Collection, which is 2,160. Mulya dinner, 5,600. Yung entrance sa Waterblow, 180 pesos for 2 na yon. Dinner at Ayodhya Hotel, 958 pesos. Transportation, 720. And yung last na pagkinain namin sa Ginger House, which is 840. So, ang total expense namin for 4 days, 3 nights sa stay namin sa Bali, sa Nusa Dua is 34,385 or around 17,000 per pax. Thank you for watching guys, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and
Hit that notification bell for more updates.
bye! We're going to Manila na. Bye-bye!